All right, so we just checked into Boardwalk. We're room 4029, which is a deluxe studio. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour. So when you walk into the room, there's like a ton of space, which is super nice. We did not have this at Copper Creek, but you can see that we have all of our suitcases there lined up, so that's super handy to have. But then first thing to the right after the space, you have your kitchenette. So we've got a microwave, a toaster, and just an ice bucket there, followed by your coffee maker, sink, and fridge there. So no freezer unit, but that's all right. So you've got the fridge, and then just like at Copper Creek, they're still doing the plastic utensils for the time being with COVID. Also underneath the sink, you have another cabinet that's just got a bin, a recycling bin, and some napkins. And then across from the kitchenette, you've got a really big closet, which again, a lot bigger than Copper Creek. You can fit a suitcase kind of lengthways in here. We've also got 2 sets of bedding, and I'll explain why that is in a minute. And hangers, and a little Swiffer right there, a little Swiffer vacuum, and an iron in the very back with an ironing board, and the safe. And then when we turn around, we've got our bathroom unit. Hello. So that's just one sink. They don't have a Jack and Jill, and again, that really super flattering zoom mirror there. And then you've got your towels and your little drawers here with a hairdryer inside. And then underneath here, there's another bin and just some room for storage, which is great. There's lots of storage in this one, which I really like compared to Copper Creek. The bathroom's kind of small. You've just got your toilet and your shower, and then it's got that bowed shower rod, which brings the curtain out a little bit to act like there's more space. You've also got toilet paper and your towels here. And then if we turn into the main part of the studio, we've got typical studio, our queen bed and pull-out couch. So the pull-out couch here, we've left up for now, but we will pull that out shortly. And we've got a nightstand that's got some USBs, and behind it, there's some plugs as well. And there's a lot of plugs in this room. You've also got your table here, which we'll have to move to the side. And then the reason we had 2 beds is because this area actually pulls out like a Murphy bed. So that's a 5th bed for a 5th person if you wanted to sleep there. You've got some storage in here, which is a really handy little unit there. But you can pop things in the drawers, since they don't have a storage unit under the TV, since that's the bed. And then on top of the fold down bed, you've got more outlets and more USBs, which is super nice. And you've got some here as well. And then as you can see, there's plenty of seating in here. There is 3 full-size like dining chairs with the table, and then the couch when that's folded up. And then I'll just go ahead and show you guys our view. We have a boardwalk view, which is beautiful. So you can see all the way over to Beach Club and the Yacht Club there. And there's 2 sort of porch chairs and a table for snacks. So thank you so much for watching. If you stay at the boardwalk, I hope you enjoy your stay.